Hey guys, good evening. I hope I'm audible out there. Yes. Prerna Gatpal, you have a big issue. Yeah, we'll sort it out. Good evening. Hi guys. Ritesh, Akash, Shruti, Kamalapriya Dishni Hari, Satyavani, Niranjan, Ritesh, like Sayan, Swati, Aditya. Right. So many familiar names. Good to see you all here. Right. Uh, Arjun. Hi Sridhar. So yeah. How about the others? Good evening. Hello. Hi, others who are watching this. Bharati, Nasruddin, Pramit. Good evening. All right, we'll be starting the session in another 2 minutes. Uh, I'm just waiting for the other people to join in. There are a lot of people joining in. Good evening, everybody. So I hope you're enjoying this evening. All right, we thought that it would be great to shift this live session. Usually we go live on Friday, right? And we thought we'd do one day before. Uh, yeah, Nasruddin, good one. Why one day before? Hi, Samrata. We thought like some people out there might watch IPL, so I don't want anybody to miss this live session as we'll be, speaking something very important to your career, to your exam specific things like prelims or your aptitude test specific things. So that's why we shifted one day before. I thought you guys will enjoy the qualifiers out there. Yeah. Hello. Oh, is it raining there? Right here also. Hi, Sai Rachna. Good evening. So good to see you all here. A lot of familiar names out here. Uh, my voice is breaking. Am I audible, guys? Right? Is it clear? Yeah. Akash, can you please check your internet and check your audio setup? Video to play. Right? Just the first slide I have. Prakash. Yes. Right, I'll start the session in another 1 minute exactly. The time is 7:01. I'll start the session at 7:02. Till then, we can wait for the other people, the VIPs. Right. Now, this is a practice for me, right? Right from my initial days, I used to start the class only after 2 minutes. Even in offline classes, people used to go for break in engineering colleges, and they used to come after 5 minutes after the session, after the class starts. So it's only fair because we have also done that, right? So, yeah. Hi, hello, Abhishek, Christo. Hi. Yes, I'm fine. Hi, Akhilesh Dubey. Hassan, hello. Good evening. Oh, someone is saying it's 7:02 over there. Yeah, it's 7:02 over here also. Right, we'll start this session and yeah, we'll start, Abhishek. Thanks for the request, right? So, yes, this session as it is on the right screen for you. I hope you can all see the screen. I hope my voice is audible. So, before starting the session, a quick poll check whether I'm audible and everybody can hear me, right? Like usually we do. Right. So this is me, and everyone is saying it's audible, and most of the people already know about me. Right. We've been handling webinars throughout, and for some people who are new, right, my name is Pandala Raja, and I'm going to be your chief mentor, and I will guide you for your career from here on. And I've been handling class since 2011, earlier offline and now online, and yeah. So I'm making a habit to go live every day, meeting some students or the other. So it's fun these days, right? Right. All right. So It's about to rain here in Bangalore. I'm sure the monsoon has started early in here. I hope it is an awesome evening out there for you all. And this session is going to make it even more interesting. I'm sure about that, because we are going to discuss something called a speed max. Right now, let me understand a few things before starting this session, so that it will help me direct the session clearly. Right, and I can see a lot of questions pouring in, and there are about 642 people attending this session right now. I'm expecting more people to join over a period of time. I want you guys to post your doubts. Whenever you have doubts, you can post it. But whenever I'm handling a session, a problem, or a concept, I might tend to miss few questions. So it's always better to have your questions at the end of the session, or whenever I take a question break. I hope you all can understand this. I hope my language is clear, audible, and yeah. So as I said, before starting this session, I want to understand few things about you guys, so that it'll help me, direct this session over here. So this is the first question, right? Like usually people will ask, right? Whenever your max teacher comes into the class, he or she is going to ask you this question, guys. Do you love max? Right? Right. Right. Not disappointing answer. 81% of the people are saying yes. I'll close the poll. I like this number. So 81% of the people here are saying yes, and 19 people said no. Right. So yeah, one more question. One more question. In yeah, here we go. Can you add and subtract big number quick and without doing mistakes? Right. Right. Three, two, one, and I'm stopping, closing the poll. So again, not a very surprising answer, because I was expecting this answer from you guys. Over 58% of the people said no, they're not right. They cannot add and subtract big numbers faster without doing mistakes, and 42% of the people that said yes, it means good, right? So some people who had said yes, and majority of the people had said no. And the people who said yes, you're going to enjoy this session, and people who said no, you're absolutely going to enjoy this session, because this is more about how to solve faster, how to calculate faster. So this is how it's going to work. Anyways, I'm not going to cover all the things, because it will take like 2 days to cover all the things. We are going to just see how to love SpeedMax, how to make use of SpeedMax properly, right? So one last question to understand you guys, and then later we'll move on to the session. So what exams are you preparing for? Right. All right. 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. 57% of the people here says I'm preparing for SBI PO, and 41% says placement exams, 12% CAT, and 14% others like ZAT or other entrance exams, where aptitude is right. Any exam you take, the first round is aptitude, right? So majority of the people over here are either preparing for SBI PO, or you're preparing for placement exams like TCS, CTS, AMCAT, e-litmus kind of exams, right? I'm sure you all know about it, right? Now let's look at the agenda for today's session. What are we going to deal in today's session, right? First, I'm going to make you guys understand, if you guys are not sure about what is SpeedMax all about. Is it really necessary to know these concepts? Is it really necessary to understand this and practice this? Can I solve it without using SpeedMax? All these things we are going to discuss first, and then a few concepts in multiplications, few concepts in squares, and board mass, which is very important for people who are appearing for SBI PO, and also some placement exams like Infosys and all the Infosys TCS and all. They used to ask you simplification problems, where you can use board mass to answer that. And last, about the SpeedMax workshop that we are going to conduct in the coming weekend, we are going to speak about that, right? So well, we always have this argument about who is better, who is faster, right, in calculating, right? Uh, all right. Now your your perception about this, who is faster, guys? Who's faster in calculating, computers or human? Hmm. Right. Interesting answer. All right. So 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Close. Right. And again, if you want to know the numbers are not going to disappoint you again. 69% of the people that said it is computers, and 31% said it is human. Uh, and I'm seeing a lot of comments saying human. I'm sure you're in the 31% of the people, right? Of course, it is computer. If I ask you, if I ask you who is stronger, John Cena or his mother, of course, it is John Cena, right? But the point is, computer will act as per the instructor and as per the master, right? So you are the master here, something like our brain. You're the master of your brain. So it is very important that how we train our brain in these aspects, especially speed max. So that's what we are going to look in today. How are we going to train our brain? Be a master. Of course, computers are smart, but who made the computers and who are giving the command to the computer is always the human. So of course, we are the masters of it, right? And remember your primary school days, right? We all used to calculate the tables, the questions asked by guys. Can you see the screen, guys? Audio is clear. Yes, right. So we used to solve problems faster during our primary school days, but over the years we lost that speed, we lost that interest, we lost that competition, lost creativity, and lost the love for maths for some people, right? Finally, again, it's coming back to haunt us in the form of prelims, aptitude tests, etc. But the best thing about speed marks is that it needs that spark and that interest to bring everything we lost. Trust me, this is going to help you in the most effective way during your exams like SBI PO and placement exams. And what kind of topics the speed marks, the applications, where are we going to apply this speed marks, right? This is where I'm going to apply speed marks more intensively in these topics like simplifications, approximations, and data interpretation, which will be asked in all the exams, right? All these three. And word problems, something like time and work, time, speed and distance, profit and loss, partnership, allegations, mixtures, right? Simple interest, compound interest, all these problems, right? uh, yeah, all these problems are in where the speed calculations are important. And finally, all the problems which involves calculations, all the problems which involves calculations, speed marks is the main factor where you can solve a problem under 1 minute or 30 seconds. So of course, knowing about speed marks is very important. Practicing speed marks is very, very important, right? Now, as I said, there are more than 100 tricks to help you in your aptitude test, whereas we won't be able to cover all this season. But on the coming, all the session on, but on the coming Saturday and Sunday, we have a Speed Max online workshop where we'll be discussing all the tricks and tips and all the important things which we need to know for clearing our aptitude test. Right now, getting into some problems, some tricks, how to solve certain things, how to master certain things is what I'm going to teach you now, right? So are you all ready? Now I'm going to close the chat box here, right? I'm going to close the chat box. I'll not be able to see your questions now, so please don't ask any questions now, but whenever I take a question break, you can ask at that time. So yeah, multiplications of two numbers between 10 and 20, right? So what are we going to do? So in multiplication, as I said, there will be a lot of different strategies, each strategy will be applicable for certain numbers. If you apply the same strategy for different set of numbers, it won't be as efficient. That's what I've given. This method is efficient for the numbers between 10 and 20, right? Let's quickly learn how to solve this, right? Let me take a number 17 into 18, right? Let me take a number 17 into 18. There are just two steps, guys. Watch closely. I'll be slow at first, then I'll switch my gears and I'll go fast, right? Right? There are two steps. Step one, what I have to do, right? Step one, what I have to do is take the last digit of this number. Take the last digit of this number and add it to the first number. Take the last digit of this number and add it to the first number. So 17 plus 8. 17 plus 8 is 25, right? This is the first step. What will you do? Take the last digit of the second number and add it with the first number. Now step 2. Take the last two digits, that is last digits of the two numbers and multiply. 7 into 8, it is 56, right? Now what is the answer? The answer is very simple, 25. 5 as a carryover and 6 here, so the answer is 306. You got it? Answer is 306. Very simple. I'll repeat it with a different number, right, so that you understand better. I'll take a number, say 13 into 16. Step 1, I'll take this last digit and add it with the whole number. 13 plus 6, it is 19. Now second step, I'll take the last digits here and I will multiply. So 6 into 3 is 18. So 1 here and 8 here. So the answer is 208. Are you guys clear? Did you guys understand? Yes? Did you guys understand? So why I'm taking this 1 here is that 20 into 20 is 400, right? 20 into 20 itself is a 3-digit number, right? So between 10 to 20, if I multiply two numbers, answer should be a 3-digit number. When I do these two steps, I'll get, say, I got 19 in the first step, I got 18 in the second step. I can't just write the number as 1918. This is wrong. Your 1 should be the carryover here. So 1918. Okay, this is how it works. Are you guys clear with this? Yes? All right. Okay, some people did not understand it. We'll solve one more question, right? Let's say 14 into 19. Let's say 14 into 19. Okay, so what is the first step, guys? What is the first step? Exactly, right? A lot of people got it. First step is take the last digit and add it with the first number. So I'll write the first step here. It is 14 plus 9. What is 14 plus 9? It is 23, right? Second step, just watch it. Multiply the last digit of the two numbers. 4 into 9, which is 36. So I'll put 3 as a carryover here and 6 as the last digit. So the answer is 266. Clear? Yes? Right. Now, some people might ask this question: what if the multiplication is still we get it as single digit? For example, questions like 12 into 14, right? 4 plus 12, it is 16. 4 into 2, it is 8. So you just put 8 here. Answer is 168. As simple as that. Did you guys understood? You guys understood, right? Did you guys understand? Yes. What about 3 digits? As I said already, right? Each category will have different shortcuts, guys. I'm going to teach you all these things, right? Each category we are going to teach. But as I said, don't apply the same shortcut to the other categories. It might not work. Are you guys clear about it? Right. Now, remember this: we need not, use pens to solve these problems. We can even do it mentally, right? Using your mind. That's how you have to practice. First of all, immediately after seeing problem, you shouldn't use your pen. That's the whole idea of speed max, right? For example, when I see 13 into 12, immediately you have to do the speed max technique. Do not use pen, guys. Do not use pens. Try to do it with your mind, right? How to do? First, I should add this 2 with 13, so I'll get 15. Next, I should multiply the last digit which is 3 into 2, 6. So answer is 156. As simple as that. Now when I do 16 into 18, what should I do? I should take this 8 and add it with 16. So I'll get it as 24. 6 into 8 is 48. So 24 and 48. So answer is 288. So that's how it works, right? You cannot take pen. If you take pen, right, if you take pen and solve it, it's better to use conventional method because you're not going to save any time. So that's how it works, guys. So don't use pen for problems like this. You have to be very, very fast while calculating. A lot of people are asking, what about this number? What about that number? Guys, again, I'm saying each section, each category will have different tricks. I'm going to teach you that. Don't worry about it, right? Now the next category, right? Partially complementary numbers. We are going to learn how to multiply partially complementary numbers. So what is partially complementary numbers? For example, say when I take a number like 42 and 48, 42 into 48. When I add the unit digit, it should be 10. When I add the unit digit, it should be 10, and the other digits should be equal. The other digits should be equal. You guys understood, right? What is partially complementary, right? The last technique is applicable for 10 to 20, Manish. Yes. Will it work for any 2-digit multiplication? No, Pragya, it won't work for any 2-digit. Yes, as I said again and again and again, I'm repeating, each category will have different tricks, right? It's all about practice. We'll get it there, but just try to understand all the tricks and see, all the concepts will be applicable where some place or the other extra, but it's always effective. You use particular concept to the particular numbers, right? Right. So this is partially complementary. For example, when I say 84 into 86, this is partially complementary because when I add 4 plus 6, it is 10, and the other digit is equal. You guys understood what is partially complementary. We are going to see how to solve this problem, right? Now let us say let us take a number 62 into 68. Let us take a number 62 into 68. This is a partially complementary number, right? Yes, the last digit must be 10. Yes, the last digit must be 10. If you add, the last digit should be 10. You guys clearly understood, right? Now what should I do is very, very simple. It is again only 2 steps here. Watch closely. I'm closing the chart window. I'm not able to see any charts here, right? I'm not able to, yeah, it will solve any digits, guys. Again, I'm closing the chart now. It has only 2 steps. Watch closely, guys. The first step is multiply the last digits. First step is multiply the last digits. So 2 into 8, it is 16. 2 into 8, it is 16. You guys got it clearly? Yes? Right. What is the next step? What is the next step? Check what is the previous digit. Previous digit is 6. Multiply 6 with the next number of 6. Multiply 6 with the next number of 6, which is 42. So the answer is 4216. Very simple, right? It will maximum take just 3 seconds for me, right? Don't worry. I'll repeat it. Here we go. I did not get anything. Uday Kumar, I'm sure I'm explaining it in a much easier way. I hope you guys can understand. I hope you guys are following me. Are you guys following me, guys? Yes? I'll repeat it. Don't worry. 62 into 68. First step, what I have to do is multiply the last digit. 2 into 8. That is the last digit. Multiply the last digit. 2 into 8, which is nothing but 16. 2 into 8 is 16. Now the second step, right? Check what digit you have here. Check what digit you have here. What number you have here? 6. Multiply 6 with the next number of 6. Next number of 6 is 7. So 6 into 7 is 42. So the answer is 4216. Right? Yes? Clear? Let's solve one more problem. Let's solve one more problem in this. Let's take a number 84 into 86. Let's take a number 84 into 86. What to do? First step, I have to multiply the last digit 6 into 4, which is 24. Next step, check what digit is here, what number is here. Multiply that number with the next number of that number. Multiply that number with the next number of that number, which is 8 into 9, 72. So the answer is 7224. You guys got it? You guys got it? Very easy, right? Very easy, right? Yes. As simple as that. Yes, it won't take more than, of course, 3 seconds. Not even 3 seconds. It's very simple, right? Now let's look at a three-digit number. Let's look at a three-digit number. Let's say 162 into 168. Right? Again, it is a partially complementary number. Why? Because when I add the last digit, it is coming 10, and the previous digits are the same, 16 and 16. Again, the first step is multiply the last digit, which is 2 into 8, which is 16. The last digits is 2 into 8, which is 16. Now multiply the previous number with the next number of the previous number. Now here is where you use the shortcut again. Guys, smart enough, you have to know all the shortcuts, and application of the shortcuts is important. Here I won't sit and solve 16 into 17 as 2, 4, 11, 6, 1. I won't do like this. What I will do, I'll take this 7, add it with 16, I'll get 23. 7 into 6 is 42. So the answer is 272 here, and the answer for this question is 27216. Are you guys clear? Are you guys clear? Okay. See, this is I'm adding this two shortcuts here, guys. Don't worry. This is the previous shortcut I explained, right? Okay, I'll repeat it. Yeah, everybody, right? The speed is different for everybody, so I don't mind repeating, but please watch carefully, right? So let's take a number 174 into 176. This is the partially complementary number. Watch out for this number. Definitely in your SBI PO prelims or your TCS exams, there will be numbers like this. They won't tell you, okay guys, use this method. You should be smart enough to use this method. That's how you're going to save time, right? Of course, it's easy to remember, guys. When you see this number immediately, you should have practiced it more. When you see this number immediately, immediately your brain should think about this method. So what is the first step? Multiply the last digits. 4 into 6 is 24. So 24 is the last digit. Now 17 is the previous number. What I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply 17 with the next number of 17. I'm going to multiply 17 with the next number of 17. And how am I going to multiply this? Again, using the first shortcut which I explained, multiplying numbers between 10 to 20, right? You guys are clear, right? You guys are clear. I hope you guys can understand. Okay, there is some problem with my mouse. Okay, yes, here we go. 1 minute, guys. Yes, right. So 17 into 18. How are you guys going to multiply? Why I'm unable to hear your voice, right, guys? I think I'm audible, guys. Please check your mobile system, your earphones, headphones, all these things. I'm sure it is audible for most of the people, Bina. So check it. So how you're going to solve this? 17 plus 8, it is 25. If you guys miss this shortcut, please watch the recording again, because I'm not going to explain it to you again, right? So 17 plus 8, it is 25, and multiply the last digit. 7 into 8, it is 56. So it is 306, right? 30624 will be your answer. You guys got it, right? Everybody out there? Yes, good, awesome. Now let us do some quick test. Yes, everybody. Okay, quick test, everybody. Yep. Awesome. Super. Keep it coming, everybody. Awesome. Yes, you guys will be getting recorded versions. Don't worry about it, guys. Let's concentrate on the session. I want you guys to be better than at least your conventional method for the first few minutes, and later than calculator, right? All right, here we go. So let me ask you the first question. Quick, I want the answer very quickly. Very quickly. Don't make mistakes. The whole objective of speed marks is to solve fast without any mistakes. Awesome. I'm getting a lot of answer. The one drawback here is I don't know who is answering in the poll, but I believe everyone is out there answering. Pranav, you have to check it, check it, check it. 110169. It is 3016. It is 3016. All right. So most of you got it right. I'll explain it to you. Don't worry. One more time. 52 into 58. How will I multiply? Okay. Right. First step, multiply the last digits. 2 into 8, it is 16. 2 into 8, it is 16. Okay. Next, what should I do? Check what is the first number. First number is 5. 5 into the next number of 5 should be your next step. 5 into the next number of 5. 5 into 6 is what? 30. So your answer should be 3016. Awesome, awesome. Most of the people are saying without pen I'm solving it. Fantastic, guys. That's how it works. Did you guys understand? The people who have answered it wrong, did you guys understand now? Yes. You have to practice a lot, guys. Of course, you won't get it immediately, but you have to practice a lot. Right, let's go for this. Yes. Abhishek, you should be getting the questions on your screen. I'm sure a lot of people are answering. If you're not able to check the poll, just go back and come, quit the session and come back again. Awesome, super, marvelous. So many answers and so many quick answers and so many correct answers. In fact, mostly correct answers. In fact, okay, some wrong answers. Yeah. Yes, Pranavi, Shalakar, Likita, fantastic guys, awesome, good going. Ritesh, good. But we shouldn't take more than, okay, initially beginners, probably I can understand, not more than 10 seconds for you. All right, Shruti, that's wrong. It's not 14621, it's 15621. Right, 127 into 123. First step, 7 into 3, which is 21. Next step, 12 into 13. 12 into 13 is what? 156. So 15621. As simple as that. Did you guys understand? Did you guys understand this? Awesome. Super. Great. I'm sure you guys would be able to solve without using pen or paper or pencil or notebook or crayons or whatever. Not able to listen. Guys, if you're not able to clearly listen to my audio, please sign out and sign in again. Probably there might be some issues out there in your area, the internet over there. I'm sure it is perfectly fine. Why I'm muted from the organizer? Of course, there'll be a lot of disturbance for the people then if you are not muted, right? So yeah, I'm not going to answer those general questions now. All right, so yeah, let's go. Let's move on to the next quick thing. Disconnecting frequently, Amrapa. Guys, I'm sure the internet is proper here, right? It is without any interruption. It is coming. Please check your internet, guys. All right, move on. Okay. Can we just go for the one last question, guys? One last question in this method so that you guys are quick. Right? Nice. Awesome. So yeah, that's how it works, and I'm sure I believe you guys are all clear. I believe we can move on to the next concept instead of solving this. Do you guys want me to solve this problem? One yes, I'll solve. One yes, I'll solve. Yes, answer is 4209. Okay, I got a lot. I'm getting a lot of S. Disappointing. I thought you guys understood what I taught. All right, I'll solve it for you. So 61 into 69, right? Cool. So what is the first step again? No issues. Learn it from here if you did not understand, right? 1 into 9, it is 9. And next step is 6 into 7, it is 42. So most of people might answer 429. That is wrong. It cannot be 429. If it is a single digit, you have to put a 0 in front. So the answer is 4209. Right? Awesome. Great. We'll move on to the next concept. Yes. All right, so here we go. A lot of people were asking how to multiply numbers from 90 and all. So here is, okay, here is the concept. I'm just getting some problem with my mouse, right? All right. So multiplying two numbers between 90 to 100, right? Two numbers which lies between 90 to 100 is what we are going to learn now. And this method will come in handy in many places. In simplification, a lot of problems will have this kind of range numbers. Guys, you have to practice a lot to get this going. It's very easy. Again, two steps. I'm going to explain it to you, right? Let's take a number 97 into 98. Let's take this number 97 into 98. Right? Right. So first step, fix the base as 100. First step, fix the base as 100. Right? Clear. Nothing very difficult. It's easy. Fix the base as 100. Second step. So I'll write the steps here. First step, base 100. Second step, find the difference between the 100 and the given numbers. Find the difference between 100 and the given numbers. So the difference between 100 and 97 is 3. So it is 3 less. So I'll put it as minus 3. Here it is 2 less. I'll put it as minus 2 on the top. I'll just write it on the top. Minus 3, minus 2. Because this is the difference between 100 and this number. Third step, cross add. Okay, what is this cross add? Now there are two layers of number. First, the numbers itself. Second, the difference of those numbers between that 100 and numbers, right? Now I'm going to cross add. So if I cross add this, what is 97 minus 2? So add means it's doing the same operation again. So 97 minus 2, I'll get it as 95. I'll get it as 95. If you cross add the other side also, you will get the same number. Okay, if you cross add the other side also, you will get the same number. So don't worry, any one side if you cross add, that's enough, right? So 95, I got it. 98 minus 3 also I'll get 95, or 97 minus 2 also I'll get 95. Fourth step, right? Fourth step, multiply the numbers on the top layer. Multiply the numbers on the top layer, that is the differences. So when I multiply this numbers, 3 into 2, minus 3 into minus 2, it is 6. So it is a single digit. I'll put 0 in between, right? And I'll get answer as 9506. I know it's pretty, guys, don't worry, pretty difficult at the first place. Don't worry, I'll definitely repeat. It's going to be easy. Any method is difficult in the first place, so don't worry about missing out on this, right? I'll definitely repeat. Don't worry, right? Cool. So let us repeat it, right? Let's take a number, right? Let's take a number 92 into 96, right? 92 into 96. All right. So first step, find the difference. Now I'm forgetting about the base and all because that's just for your understanding. First, I'll find the difference between this number and 100. This is minus 4. This is minus 8. Clear? Next step, I'm going to cross add it. So what is 92 minus 4? It is 88. You guys clear? Right. Next step, I'm going to multiply the differences over here. Minus 8 into minus 4 is 32. So the answer is 8832. You guys are clear? Awesome. So many right answers. Okay, still some more people are not able to. Cool. We'll explain one more problem. 96 into 90, what can we take? 94, right? So this is -4, this is -6. What is this -4 and -6? The difference between the number and the 100, right? So 96 minus 6 is 90. Next, multiply the numbers on the top, 24. That's it. Awesome. So you guys are now better, faster than calculator. No, this is not partial. Yeah. Oh, great. This is partially complementary numbers as well. Awesome. Fantastic, guys. Good watch. Even I missed it. It is 96 into 94. You can also solve it like 24 and 90. How? Because 6 into 4 is 24, and 9 into the next number, 9 into 10, 90. Fantastic. Great job. I'm loving it. Right. Awesome. So that's how you solve numbers between 90 to 100. Right. Can we do some quick problems? I won't answer for this, guys. I won't answer for this, guys. It's not a poll, but you just watch the number and answer. Quick. Getting a lot of answers. Awesome. Slide. Few people very silly mistakes. 8942, 8742 kind of mistakes. The answer is okay. Someone 7842, 8842, 9012. Yeah, I understand. There will be few. Little bit. It will be difficult in the first place, but when you solve it, it will be easy. I'll explain it to you once again. Right. The difference between 100 and 93 is 7. So -7. It is 7 lesser. Here it is -6. Most of the people will commit mistake during this cross adding part. That's the most important thing. Please be very careful with this. Looks very simple, but if I ask you what is the answer for 92 minus 8, most of the people might get it wrong. 92 minus 8 is what, guys? What is 92 minus 8? People, what is 92 minus 8? Okay, see, I told you, right? So many are saying 83, 84, 83, 84, right? That's how it works. So be very careful with cross adding. So 93 minus 6 is what? 93 minus 6 is what? 87. 87. Next step, multiply these two numbers, 42. So the answer is 8742. Got it. Awesome. You guys clear? Right? This is one method you guys have quickly learned. Now I'm not going to write any numbers on the screen. This is the next competition for you. I'm sure it's going to be little bit difficult. Why you didn't add the other one right hand side? If you add the other one also, you will get the same number, Pragya. So you can just do it one side. Any one side you do, it's okay. Any one side you do, it's okay. Okay, now I'm going to give you a test. This test is going to be little difficult. Don't use your pens. Don't use anything, right? You're not going to see any number. You're just going to witness your number virtually, right? You're just going to think about this number and solve it. What is the answer for? What is the answer for? What is the answer for 16 into 19? What is the answer for 16 into 19? I don't want you guys to use any tool. 16 into 19. What is the answer for 16 into 19? Oh no. 16 into 19. Come on. Lot of mistakes. 16 into 19 cannot be in 4000s. Come on. 16 into 19 cannot be in 2000s. 16 into 19 cannot be in 150s. Guys, come on. All right. Great. Lot of correct answers, but a bit of wrong answers as well. Especially I'm seeing 2554. I don't know why, how, but I'm seeing 2554 as a lot of answers. Why? How 2554? Even I'm not sure what is that method to get 2554, because majority of the people, not majority, most of the people here, you're getting the 2554 exactly, which is a wrong answer. 5425. Guys, 16 into 19. The one big problem is Do not use the recent method you learnt. You know how we have learnt our school days and college days. Whatever we learned recently, we try to apply, forgetting the old things we learned, right? 16 into 19, I taught you an easy method. What is the method? 9 plus 16, which is 25. 6 into 9, 6 into 9, which is 54. So 16 into 19 should be 304. That's the answer, right? Yes, that's the first method I taught. Because I'm asking this question after 97 into 98 doesn't mean you have to use the same method. I'm not the usual teacher here, guys. I'm just going to test you in anything and everything. Probably even whatever I've taught you in the last webinar, I might ask. You should be ready, right? Don't uh, okay, you thought 16 into 90. All right, I'm sorry, it's 16 into 19. Okay, my bad. Okay, a lot of people are convincing me that they heard it as 90. My bad. All right, even if it is 16 into 90, I think it should be 1440, right? How it is 2554 still, right? Okay, anyways, that's okay. Now, next question. If you missed the beginning of the class, don't worry, you can watch the video recording. Next question, get ready. I want you guys to think and answer. Now, I'm sure my pronunciation, the sound after I say should be proper. So let's go. 91 into 92. 91, 91 into 92. I hope it's clear. Quick. 91 into 92. I'm sure you guys are facing the same problem, whatever I told before. Yes, I can see that. 91 into 92. Fantastic. A lot of people are answering. Come on, that's the spirit. Awesome. Keep it going. I don't care your wrong answers, but I love the spirit of you guys answering it right. Fantastic. 91 into 92. I hope this is the question I asked. Yes. Cool. Different answers, but most of the people are getting it right. Good. All right. So what's the answer, guys? It is 8372. Fantastic. For the people who got it wrong, here is a quick solution for this. 91 into 92. First step, find the difference here, right? And next, you have to cross add. Now here is the problem I told. A lot of people are making mistakes in the first two digits. Is it 83 or 84 or 82 or 93, right? 91 in minus 8. Make your mind very clear. Minus, this is subtraction of a very small number. You cannot do mistakes. 91 minus 8, it is 83, right? Now 9 into 8, it is 72. So 8372 will be your answer. Clear? Clear? Awesome. Right. Good. Now this is going to be easy for you. Now you can guess the method. You guys already know what's the method we are going to, what's the method we solved for 90 to 100. Now it's 100 to 110. So it's going to be easy, right? Let me check whether you guys are answering it right. Let us say 105 into 106. Can you guys guess the answer? Can you guys guess the answer how to solve this? I'm sure you guys would get it right. I'm sure you guys, I have a lot of confidence on you now. I'm sure you will get it right. Awesome. Yes, fantastic, Shalaka. That's the same method. Great job. So the same method, I'm going to explain it, guys. First 100 base, that 100 will be base, right? Now I'll find the difference here. The difference of this number and 100 is plus 5, and the difference of this number and 100 is plus 6, right? Now I'm going to cross add it again. So 105 plus 6 is 111, right? Next step, I'm going to multiply the numbers on the top layer, which is 30. So 11130 will be your answer. That's how it works. Awesome. So many got it right. So that's how you start loving numbers, because when you find your own calculator, own method, own shortcut, you feel awesome. I'm sure most of the people will feel awesome about it, right? So yes, here we go. Can we solve one more problem, right? Can we solve one more problem in this? Right. So let's go for 102 into 105. 102 into 105. Quick, right? Come on, come on, everybody. 102 into 105. Fantastic. Got it. Got it. Great job. Great job. So this is plus 2, this is plus 5, cross add 107, multiply 10, 107, 107, 10. That's the answer. That's the answer. Awesome, guys. I'm loving this class. I'm sure, I guess you guys are also, right? Quickly. Yes. 106 into 107 without using pens, without using pens. 106 into 107 without using pens. Easy. Great, Niveta. Good to hear. Great job. 113. Okay, some making 103. Note 103, 1172. Prisa, please be very careful while solving this. It's very easy. 113342. Nahi. 111342. Nahi. It's 11342, right? So this is plus 6 plus 7. Cross added 113 and multiply 42, right? Now I'm going to teach you one more easiest thing in this method, but I'm afraid whether you will be confused, but anyways, I'll go for it. For numbers between 100 to 110, what you guys do is very simple, right? First write 1, then add the last digit. First write 1, add the last digit, then multiply the last digit. Don't even worry about writing numbers on the top and cross adding it. Easier way, for example, when I say it's 106 into 109, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write 1. I'm going to add the last digit. What is 9 plus 6? It is 15. What is 9 into 6? It is 54. So the answer is 11554. So write 1, add the last digit, multiply the last digit. That's your answer. I hope you guys understood. But hey, see, any method, right? Both the methods are easier, but whatever is comfortable for you. For that, you have to be like very sharp in practicing. While practicing, you have to be sharp, right? Clear. Awesome. Tell this again. Okay, I'll tell this again. Let's say 109 into 102. What I'll do is I'm sorry, right? I made a mistake, right? What I'll do is I'll just add the number first. 109 into 102. I'll just write 1. I'll add this number 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. 9 into 2, it is 18. So the answer is 11118. I hope I said 4 ones. That's how it works. Yeah, I do get your answers, Lalit. Don't worry. Yes, great. Now, quick question. I'm not going to write anything. I'm not going to write anything. I'm not going to write anything. Keep your minds, keep your ears open. I'm going to ask you a question. What is, and I need answer from you all. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. What is 33 into 37? What is 33 into 37? Quick, guys. I don't want you guys to use any pens. 33 into 37. 33 into 37. 33 into 37. 33 into 37. Come on, everybody. Come on, everybody. 33 into 37. Fantastic. Great job. Wait. Okay, I think I'm irritating. Right? Okay, I'm sorry, guys. 32. Sorry, what's the question? 33 into 37. Awesome. Great job. 33 into 37. How to do? Multiply the last digits, 27. Take the first digit and multiply the next number, which is 12. So answer is 1221. Awesome. So you guys remember, happy about that. But now let me ask a question. What is 106 into 103? What is 106 into 103? Very simple. 106 into 103? Awesome. 10918. That's your answer. Great job. So happy to see all the correct answers here. 10918. Okay, maybe few typos. I believe that's a typo. I'm very confident that I have taught you well. I'm very confident that you have learned well. Some answers might be typo. If it is not typo, then you have to rewatch this method and practice. Yes, Manoj, I understood. See, I got you. Right. Great job. So we'll go on to the next question. Okay, interesting question. Can you solve this without using pens? I know it's a second standard question, but I'm excited because I love this question. I love the picture here more than the question. What's the answer, guys? I'm sure this is a second standard, third standard question, maybe sixth standard, seventh standard. But these are the kind of questions you will get in TCS, you will get in Infosys, you will get in SBI PO prelims. A little bit tricky, a little bit glossy words, but yeah, feeling hungry. Right. Okay, it's hidden. That's the chat box. Okay, now I'm hiding the mango. Watch the question carefully and answer. Great job. I got one right answer. Guys, you guys missing the question. What is the product of mangoes everyone have? So all the mangoes you have to multiply. So Vimal, Raju, Viru and his cousins, all the mangoes you have to multiply. Great job. Akhilesh, Roshni, Mona, Mohammed, fantastic. Sanjeev, Sayan, no, Sayan, try hard. Abhilash, fantastic. Likita, awesome. Jagdish, what's your answer? I missed it. Vinisha, it's not that. Try hard. Karan Bhatia, no, 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 not 50. I guess you guys missing the question. I'm sure you guys are clear with the calculation. But here, one more, one more important skill is to comprehend the question. SBI PO, TCS guys, very, very important skill, comprehending the question. What are you understanding from the question, right? Sign no. Right. Okay, let me solve. Raju had 12 mangoes, right? And his brother Vimal had 2 mangoes more than Raju. So Raju and Vimal, they have 12 mangoes. Raju has 12 and Vimal has 14. Viru and his cousins together had 6 mangoes lesser than the product of mangoes both Raju and Vimal had. So Viru and his cousins had 6 mangoes lesser than the product of Raju and Vimal. So Raju and Vimal's product I have to do. So if you sit and calculate 12 into 14, 8, 4, 2, 1, 8, 168, then there was no use of attending all the 30 minutes of the session. How will you solve 12 into 14 without using pens? I'll take this 4, I'll add it with 12. Take this 4 and I add it with 12, I'll get 16. Then I'll multiply the last digits, 12, 2 into 4, which is 8. So 168. So Viru and his cousins together will have 162 mangoes because Raju and Vimal will together have, that is product of Raju and Vimal's mangoes will be 168. So Viru and his cousins will have 162. Now they are asking, what is the product of mangoes everyone will have? So it's basically 168 into 162. Now how are you going to solve it? Yes, Palniappan, you're right. Now how are you going to solve it? Yes, the method, partially complementary method. Fantastic, right? Multiply the last digits, 8 into 2, 16. Then 16 into 17. How are you going to multiply 16 into 17? The same method, 23, 42. So the answer is 27216. Awesome. So this is how your question, of course, they're not going to ask in the exam hall, you're not going to get what is 16 into 17, but you will be using that 16 into 17 application in these kind of problems. I hope you guys understood. All right. Yes. Great job. How you got 162? Because this place, Viru and his cousins together had 6 mangoes lesser than the product of mangoes both Raju and Vimal had. Yes? Yes, I'm getting your answers, Divya. So Raju and Vimal products will be 168. So they had 6 less than 168, which is 162. Great job. Amal, right. Awesome. Okay, quickly. We're running short of time, guys. Awesome mangoes. Yes, Arun. Mango season, right? That's why I took this question. Okay, squaring the numbers between 40 and 50. Yes, Kavi, I can see your queries. Probably I missed some. I'm sorry, you can ask once again. Okay, 40 and 60, how am I going to solve 40 and 60? Right, so let us take a number. Right, let me, mouse is not working. Right, yes, that's the method, right? Let me take a number, say 48 square, right? I'm going to teach you this method. Now listen carefully. I'm going to take two bases, 50 and 25. I'm going to take two bases, 50 and 25. Simple, right? Just base for your understanding. I'm just taking 50 and 25. First step, I have to find the difference between 50 and this number. It is -2. The difference between 50 and this number is -2. So subtract the difference with this 25. That is, do the same thing. -2 means do -2, +2 means do +2. Subtract the difference. So add the difference between this number and 25. So you will get it as 23. Second step, square the difference. Whatever difference you're getting, square it. So square of 2 is 4. So since it is single digit, I'll add a 0. So it is 0, 4. So the answer is 2304. I'm sure most of the people would be confused. Don't worry, I'm going to repeat it. Right? Now without base. 46 square. So this is 4 less than 50. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do 25 minus 4, so 21, right? And I'm going to square this 4, 16. So the answer, don't square this digit, square the difference. That is very important. That's where many people will make mistakes. Supriya, why you take 25 as base? Supriya, there is a logic behind it. Whenever I do this expansion, 50 minus 4 the whole square, and I use the identity a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? You will have finally the 2500 as a base. That's why I'm taking 25 as a base. That's the logical explanation, right? I'll repeat it, guys. I'll repeat it. Let's take 47 square. Now this is 3 less than 50. So I'll subtract this 3 with, that is, I'll add this 3 with 25. So I'll get it as 22. Now I'm going to square this 3. What is it? 09. That's the answer. Awesome. Many people got it already. Great. Can you guys answer now? What is 42 square? Everybody, 42 square. 42 square. I'm not writing 42 square. Again, be careful with the subtraction. Be careful with the subtraction. Yes, 1764. So how? This is 8 less than 50. So 25 minus 8, it is nothing but 17. And 8 square is 64. So 1764. Great. Now, great, everyone got it. Now you tell me what is the method here, right? How to solve 52 square? How to solve 52 square? Same thing. Same. 50 as base. Fantastic. So the answer is 2704. Very simple. I'll just do it very quickly. 25 plus 2, because it is 2 greater than 50. So 27, and I'll square this 2. So 2704. What is 56 square, guys? 56 square. Quick. Here it is even more easy. You will just square the same number, the last digit. Fantastic. 3136. 3136. Awesome. Great job, guys. Now I'm the percentage of wrong answers is close to 1%. I'm getting all right answers. Of course, the method is easy, but I'm believing that you guys are getting the knack of the speed marks now, right? What is 59 square, guys? 59 square. Everybody, quick. Yes, 3481. Great job. Super. Shamila, Segun, Nesu, Aditya, Sai Lakshmi, Palniappan, Supriya, Aishwarya, Karthikeyan. Wow, great job. Happy. Right. Now, I'm not going to write anything, right? What is 94 into 93? What is 94 into 93? Come on, Palniapan. Everybody. 94 into 93. Come on, guys. Everybody. 94 into 93. Think. Wow. So glad to see the right answers. Few wrong answers. Understandable. Okay, now let me write the numbers. Now it's going to be easy for you. 94 into 93. How I'm going to do it? How I'm going to do it? Yes. I think I asked this question like already. Yes, but anyways, this is -6, this is -7, cross added, which is 87. There's 42. Is it memorizable? You need not memorize it. When you just practice few questions, whenever I ask, now if I ask a question, what is 12 into 18? You will immediately do this method. 20, 16, 216 is the answer. You need not memorize it. You just, you will know when you see the number. You need not be great with mathematics. It's just about practice. Of course, yes. Awesome. Now board mass. Board mass is a process, not a calculation technique, right? Board mass is brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. That is what is board mass. I hope you guys know that, right? Yes. V stands for bar. For example, something like X bar, 23 bar, 0.23 bar. This is Veniculum, right? O for off, right? 3.82% of X, something like that, right? All right, so yes, we are short of time. We have another session which is lined up for at 8:15. So we'll quickly, so this is a technique which is very important for SBI PO prelims, especially because you will be solving problems from simplification, you'll be solving problems from approximation, you'll be solving problems from data interpretation, right? All this three, especially this two, this board mass will definitely work. Data interpretation, you won't have this board mass, but simplification approximation is going to be this thing, right? Pragya, the next session is for CAT students, not this class. This class is yeah, we're going to end it now, right? Now, quickly, you guys should understand how to apply the shortcuts. That is more important than anything else. For example, there is a question: 9 minus 3 divided by 1 by 3 plus 1. What is the answer? 9 minus 3 divided by 1 by 3 plus 1. What is the answer, guys? Can you tell the answer? Can you tell the answer? Since I'm getting a lot of different answers, like 110, 9, 7, 1, 4, minus 1, 3, 9, 7, 1, 19, 7, 8. A lot of answers, right? So this is where board mass is applied. First, understand board mass. So here there is no brackets, there is no off. So there is a division first. First, I have to answer this part. So 3 divided by 1 by 3 will become what? 3 divided by 1 by 3 will become 9. So 9 minus 9 plus 1, right? 9 minus 9 plus 1. So in this board mass, I did division. There is no multiplication. Then comes the addition, right? 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 minus 9, it is 1. So answer is 1. I'm getting a lot of answers. -1, 9, 3, 8. Looks very simple, right? But this is where board mass will help. You need to know how to solve this very fast, right? So that is where board mass will work. For example, let me ask a question. Say, let me ask an easy question. 81 into 64 divided by 4.5, right? And let's say into 18 is equal to, let's square, minus 153, right? This is the previous year SBI PO question, right? Can you solve it? It's very easy, right? You need not use pens also to solve this. For example, how I'll solve this question is very simple. I know 81 is 9 square. I know 4.5 is what? Twice of that is half of 9. So this is basically, it will be 2. and this will be 8, right? So 16 into 18 is equal to square minus 153. So basically 16 into 18 is easy for me. What is 16 into 18? It is 2448. So 288 plus 153, which is going to 441. So 441 is what square? Everyone knows 21. That's the answer. Now how, right, of course, right, so you need to know few calculation techniques, right? But at the same time, okay, please explain it again. Right, I'll explain it again. I'll just erase it. Okay, it's very easy, guys. It's taking some time to erase. How you got 2 for 81? Yes, I'll explain it. I thought I'll just quickly skip the steps. Okay, so 81 into 64 divided by 4.5 brackets, right, into 18 is equal to square something square minus 153, right? Yes, I can see your replies, Balaji, right? But I'm just solving it, so probably I would have missed. So when I take the square, right, I'll get 9 into 8 divided by 4.5, because of you have to take square root of, you have to take that first, right? So 9 into 8. Now again I have to, when I cancel this out, it is 2 into 8, right? Yeah, yeah, I'll just 5 minutes it'll be over. So 2 into 8, it is 16, right? That's why that's how I solved it. So instead of solving like this directly, you know, right, the numbers will be easy, right? 4.5, so this will be 9, so I'll just do it as 2, and the square root of this will be 8, so that is 16. 16 into 18, you know how to solve it, which is 288, right? Plus 153. When I take 150 this side, so you'll get it as 441. So 441 is what? 21 square. Clear? Right, because that's division, Kavi. We can solve. How to solve 16 into 18? Ashwin, you have to get the first method, Ashwin. I know it's time to solve that. You just watch the recording again. You will know how to solve 16 into 18 easily, fast, right? Right, now, okay, this is the puzzle, right? I totally forgot about the puzzle. Okay, now let's see how quick you can answer this, right? Now I want you age into 5. Everyone, do your, of course, I know everybody knows your age. Multiply it by 5, guys. Don't tell the answer, just do the multiply. Do the multiplication and keep it within yourself. Multiply your age into 5, right? That's okay, Palniapan. Keep it within, keep it with you. Don't let the answer out, right? Now add 8 to it. Add 8 to it, everybody. Right? This is just a speed calculation puzzle, right? Add 8 to it. Yes. Hope you guys got it, everybody, right? Yes. Multiply it by 2, guys. Quick. Multiply it by 2. Multiply it by 2. Yes. Ready. Yes. Easy. Multiplied by 2. Yes. Right. Subtract by 6. Subtract by 6, everybody. Subtract by 6. Yes. Multiplied by 10. Multiplied by 10. Yes. Now post your answer, guys. Now post your answer. Yes, Shalaka, your age is 25. Okay, I'm getting a lot of ages. So Sagu, oh my God, I'm missing it out. Swati, your age is Manoj, your age is 23. Shiva, your age is 30, 23, 2700, 2200, 2300. Amrappa, your age is 20. Satyavani, your age is 23. Kavi, your age is 21. Shivam, your age is 22. Ramkrishna, your age is 21. 5.1. Oh God, that's the wrong answer. 2200, 2300. Okay, so this is just a quick puzzle, guys, to find out your age. So it's interesting. Now I'm not able to look at the numbers out there, so it's very difficult. This Palniapan, I missed your answer. Yeah. So this puzzle, I'll probably tell you the answer in the coming Saturday and Sunday class. So there is a Saturday and Sunday workshop, guys, for you. This is going to be a complete SpeedMarks online live workshop, guys. It's going to start from 10 a.m. and it's going to end at 5 p.m. on both days. And we are going to teach all the SpeedMarks techniques. We are going to teach all the SpeedMarks techniques, guys. So watch out for this, session. It's going to be very, very interesting. It's going to be very important also, right? Because if you want to, get more marks in, placement test and all those things, it's going to help you big time, right? So yes, the course price is $799 for people who have attended this webinar. You can use this coupon code SPEED10. Get the course for $349, guys. It's 2 days. It's going to be great for you, right? It's going to be awesome. It's going to be online live class, and yeah, make use of it. It's just $349. I'm sure that's a a lesser amount. And yeah, yes, you will be getting recorded videos also. And for people who've already joined SBI PO Bank Naukri's class and people who've already joined the summer coaching class, you will get this session for free. For people who haven't joined any of this class, you will be, you can go for this course and you can pay using the coupon code, right? Yes. I'm going to end this session, guys, and yes, this session will be recorded. And for summer coaching, guys, you can use this offer coupon code. There is a 50% coupon which is running right now, summer 50. If you go and use this coupon, you can get the SpeedMax live workshop for free also. So yeah, thanks a lot, guys. Great session, right? I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks a lot. Have a great night, guys. Yes. So again, I'll tell the SpeedMax live workshop is going to happen Saturday and Sunday, and we'll be sending you an email for the link where to join and all. You can use this coupon code SPEED10 and you can get it for $349, right? Great, guys. Awesome. Great job. Thanks for being so active in my class, right? See you next week. See you in the summer coaching. See you in the Bank Naukri class. See you in the SpeedMax workshop. All the best, guys. Great night. Good night. See you all.